you are having an issue with a payment link, or uploading documents, or any other information on the Dibsy dashboard, you can visit our support center by clicking the link here. This is where you will find information regarding any issue you may have. Furthermore, if that doesn't solve the problem, simply click the Contact Support button on the top here. Fill out the form. This includes your company name, your company email, the subject of the email, and describe the issue at hand. Finally, you can upload any screenshots that you think will help us understand the issue better, and click Submit. And our support team will get back to you as soon as possible.